key development has taken place. India has got a major leap in its military capabilities by securing a deal with the United States for the purchase of 31 MQ-9B drones. Additionally, the agreement includes the creation of a maintenance, repair, and overhaul or MRO facility for these General Atomics manufactured drones within India. The total cost of this transaction is projected to be under $3.5 billion. The drones will be supplied by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems, GA-ASI, under a foreign military sales contract. In this video, Defense Updates analyzes how the U.S.-made MQ-9B remotely piloted aircraft is set to play a key role in the Indian military. Before we proceed, a word on NordVPN, which is one of the most trusted VPN brands worldwide that has a no-log policy validated by Deloitte, an industry-leading Big Four auditing firm. NordVPN provides an encrypted tunnel that protects your privacy by preventing external entry to your internet traffic, as well as enabling you to access content that's blocked based on geolocation. Best of all, with one NordVPN account, you can secure up to 6 devices at the same time. Get an exclusive NordVPN deal with massive savings by going to nordvpn.com/defense or clicking the link in the description. It's risk-free with Nord's 30-day money-back guarantee. The General Atomics MQ-9 Reaper, sometimes called Predator B, is an unmanned aerial vehicle, or UAV, capable of remotely controlled or autonomous flight operations developed by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems, primarily for the United States Air Force. The MQ-9 is the first hunter-killer UAV designed for long-endurance, high-altitude surveillance, powered by Honeywell TPE-33110 turboprop, 900 horsepower, or 671 kilowatt power plant with digital electronic engine control, DEEC. Viewers may note that the MQ-1 Predator was the one that initiated the era of unmanned air combat. On March 9, 2018, the U.S. Air Force officially retired the Predator and replaced it with the MQ-9 Reaper. MQ-9 is a larger, heavier, and more capable aircraft than the Predator. The MQ-9B drone is a variant of the MQ-9 Reaper developed by GA-ASI and is categorized as a high-altitude, long-endurance, unmanned aerial vehicle UAV. As per General Atomics Aeronautical Systems, MQ-9B is its most advanced remotely piloted aircraft and includes the Sky Guardian and Sea Guardian models. The Indian Navy is likely to get 15 Sea Guardian models, while the Army and Air Force will be allotted 8 Sky Guardian models each. The MQ-9B Sea Guardian is built for all-weather maritime missions and is capable of safely operating in civil airspace over large ocean areas. It adheres to STANAG 4671 standards, allowing for NATO cross-platform operations and data sharing. The Sea Guardian can be utilized by joint military forces and civilian authorities alike to provide real-time situational awareness regardless of weather conditions, day or night. This UAV can perform seamless reconnaissance using long-range maritime radar, electronic support measures (ESM), an automatic identification system (AIS), and a highly advanced, self-contained anti-submarine warfare or ASW mission kit for underwater surveillance. It boasts over 30 hours of endurance and can be controlled via satellite link, enabling beyond-the-horizon operations worldwide. The Sea Guardian excels in intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) capabilities and is the first RPAS in its class to conduct ASW missions. Its open architecture allows for the integration of sonobuoy dispensers, enabling it to process sonar data from deployed sonobuoys, just like manned ASW platforms. The Sea Guardian has 4 wing stations capable of carrying up to 4 sonobuoy dispensing pods, allowing it to deploy up to 80 G-size or 40 A-size sonobuoys. It has an operational range extending to a mission radius of 1,350 miles, around 2,170 kilometers, making it suitable for submarine hunting. Actually, this platform competes with human-crewed ASW aircraft in effectiveness and can serve as an ideal companion for long-duration missions alongside manned ASW aircraft. The Sea Guardian is versatile, capable of performing a variety of maritime operations, including search and rescue, humanitarian assistance and disaster relief in high seas, maritime law enforcement, anti-surface warfare, anti-submarine warfare, airborne mine countermeasures, long-range strategic ISR, and over-the-horizon targeting. The MQ-9B Sky Guardian is a next-generation remotely piloted aircraft (RPA) designed for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) missions, capable of flying for over 40 hours in all weather conditions. It's the first military UAV integrated with civil airspace protocols, allowing it to operate in civilian airspace alongside commercial aircraft, in addition to meeting NATO standards, STANAG 4671. The Sky Guardian provides real-time situational awareness anywhere in the world, day or night. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, it features Lynx multi-mode radar, an advanced electro-optical and infrared EO/IR sensor, and an automatic takeoff and landing system. The Sky Guardian offers enhanced payload capacity and an open architecture, allowing it to integrate cutting-edge sensor payloads for intelligence gathering, survivability, and even kinetic payloads for more demanding operational environments. Beyond its endurance and surveillance capabilities, Sky Guardian can interface with other platforms and systems, with podded integration to broaden its multi-domain mission capabilities. It features 9 hardpoints, 8 under the wings and 1 on the belly, with a maximum external payload capacity of 2,155 kilograms. That's 4,750 pounds, which can include different types of ammunition. The Sky Guardian is versatile enough to handle a wide range of military missions, including border surveillance, long-range strategic ISR, over-the-horizon targeting, support for defensive and counter-air operations, airborne early warning, electronic warfare, anti-surface and anti-submarine warfare, airborne mine countermeasures, as well as humanitarian assistance, disaster relief, and search and rescue. Viewers may note that in November 2020, the Indian Navy began operating 2 leased MQ-9B Sea Guardians. The lease agreement was valid for 1 year and has been extended subsequently. Its effectiveness convinced India to go for this deal. According to media reports, the 2 countries are also looking to work out a technology transfer deal later. There's a possibility that these drones could be manufactured in India under Make in India initiative. The acquisition of these drones carries immense importance for the Indian government, as it intends to utilize them to bolster its surveillance capabilities along the border with China and in the Indian Ocean region. India has border disputes with China, and the ever-expanding Chinese fleet is also making increased forays into the Indian Ocean region. The deal will not only provide a capability boost, but also strengthen the U.S.-India partnership.
Subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the like button if you find the video interesting, and kindly provide your feedback in the comment section. This will help us improve.